One race from last week's election may not be decided until the fall. Former Travis County Judge Sarah Eckhart had just less than 50% of the vote in the special election for State Senate District 14. The results won't be official until next week's canvass, but if the numbers stand, Eckhart will face State Representative Eddie Rodriguez in a runoff. The winner will replace former State Senator Kirk Watson, who stepped down earlier this year. One issue that spilled into this race is a loophole in state law that lets police keep evidence secret when someone dies in their custody. We discovered that during the last legislative session, the Travis County Commissioner's Court opposed a bill that would have required police to release that evidence. Politics reporter John Engel asked Eckhart why, since she led the commissioners back then.
Stop resisting. Stop resisting.
It took 15 months for the video of Javier Ambler's arrest and in-custody death to surface because of the dead suspect loophole.
Today, I'm the president of the Austin Police Association.
Last legislative session, it was mostly police unions not wanting that kind of footage in the public eye. But among the opposition was one county government, the Travis County Commissioner's Court.
I will tell you honestly, I don't know firsthand how or even whether Travis County actually did drop a card in opposition.
We asked the woman who ran the county back then about the matter, and we filed public information requests for any communication that could shed light. County lawyers plan to ask the Texas Attorney General to weigh in on whether they have to release anything about the bill. These days, Eckhart is running for a new office, State Senate, to represent Travis County at the Capitol.
I'm running for Senate District 14.
And at a recent Democratic candidate forum, her opponent, State Representative Eddie Rodriguez, questioned her about this very issue.
Why was Travis County the only county in the state to be on record opposing that piece of legislation?
Eckhart didn't have that answer, but said the bill should have made exceptions.
Unless we're still under investigation and there's someone else's privacy right or some ongoing criminal investigation that would be implicated.
Chair recognizes Speaker Moody to explain his bill.
The bill never made it to the governor's desk, but its author wants to try again next session. Representative Joe Moody, who's backing Rodriguez in this race, says Eckhart's explanation doesn't make sense because the bill wouldn't have impacted ongoing investigations or any living suspects. Only those who died in custody and can no longer speak for themselves, like Javier Ambler.
If this exemption, if this loophole wasn't being exploited, this bill wouldn't need to be here. People would be doing the right thing.
For State of Texas, I'm John Engel.
For years, we've investigated the dead suspect loophole and its wide use among law enforcement agencies across Texas. You can see our reporting online now. Just click on the link to our Denied series with this story on your station's website. Thank you for joining us for State of Texas. I'm Josh Hinkle. Remember to do your part to help stop the spread of the coronavirus. Stay safe, stay informed. We'll be back next week to bring you an in-depth look at Texas politics. Have a great day.